Public health, that's right. Of course, if you've been with us for the past 2.5 years, you're reading announcements on your phone, on the computer, you're watching the news, you know that public health has got a lot of information out there about COVID, now monkeypox. But when it comes to getting feedback from the public, not too interested. It's not being very social. LA County Public Health continues to try to limit all public comment features on its social media, Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, posting this message just yesterday that the accounts, quote, are for informational purposes only. But Fox 11 first reported this story with Marla Tellez and Dr. Barbara Ferrer August 4th.
Was this your decision in the name of transparency? Doesn't it look anything but transparent when the public health department cuts off the public? And lastly, what will it take to turn the comments back on? Thank you.
Yeah, I mean, I'm not even sure I know what you're talking about, Marla.
Since then, it seems Ferrer has become aware, but nothing's changed on this important way to get public feedback. Marla asked her about it again 10 days ago.
Do you plan on letting the public comment again on the social media accounts that you have? What will it take to do that?
My understanding is anybody who wants to ask us a question can use our accounts now the way they're set up to send us those questions. Our platforms were frankly being used in ways that we didn't think was appropriate, and we had a lot of complaints from folks.
Now, we won't repeat the inappropriate messages. Some were insulting professionally, some personally, some included threats. The milder ones wanted Ferrer to resign. And yes, there are multiple ways, email through the department's website, for example, to communicate your thoughts or ask a question. You can also do that on Instagram and Facebook. But P.S. on Twitter, when you hit the quote tweet feature, you can still comment all you want, so it's not really disabled. So Alex and Christine, we're all familiar with, shall we say, the dark side of social media. People can get nasty on there, and it's understandable that a public agency would want to limit public comments, but it's still a controversial decision. Again, the department points out there's still plenty of ways to communicate with them and ask questions if you have one. Live downtown, I'm Phil Schuman, Fox 11 News.
Thanks.